of you. Welcome back to the IT class. So today we are going to start our first class in this academic year. Okay. So now we are in the 6th standard and we are going to study IT. So what is IT? Information and Communications Technology. Okay. So there are 6 chapters in this section and today we are going to start our first chapter. Okay, that is lovely letters. So I know that you are eagerly waiting for doing the practicals, but you know the current situation, right? Okay, so we can do the practicals after the lockdown. Now we can study through these classes, okay, online classes. So you have to cooperate with me and can we start our class? Okay, are you ready? Okay. Chapter 1, Lovely Letters. In our previous classes, we have studied about the word processor software. Do you remember it? Then said, what is a word processor software? Yes, it is used to compose articles, letters, notices, etc. Okay, now can you say any one example for a word processor software? Okay, I will give a clue, that is, we are typing the letters in the word processor software. Now did you get it? Yeah, it is LibreOffice Writer. Okay. In this chapter, our activity is to create an invitation card. Did you like this activity? Okay, so imagine that you want to invite your friend for your birthday party. Okay, let me start. This is the model for creating the invitation card. So, what should we type in the card? Yeah, your name should be there and the date when you are celebrating the birthday should be mentioned in the invitation card. Then the place which you are celebrating the party. Okay, these things are very compulsory and it should be included in your invitation card. So take your IT notebook, then write chapter 1 Lovely Letters as heading and then draw an invitation card as you wish. We are going to open the word processor software. Which is our word processing software? That is LibreOffice Writer. And we are going to start entering the text. How can we open LibreOffice Writer? Yeah, Applications, Office, LibreOffice Writer. Here you can see a vertical black line. It is blinking, isn't it? What is that? Yeah, it is called the cursor. Type your invitation card with the help of keyboard. Now we finished typing and our next activity is to make our invitation card more attractive. Okay. How can we make it attractive? Okay, now just write down your suggestions to make our invitation card attractive in your IT notebook by drawing a box like this. Did you do it? Okay. Now we are going to change the font that we typed. How can we make the letters even more beautiful? First of all, select the sentence that is to be changed. How can we select? By clicking and dragging the mouse. Like this. Selecting the first sentence. Now in the formatting toolbar, here you can see many types of fonts. Just click on the font name and you can see different types of fonts. From this you can select the font as you wish. Now I am selecting URW Chancery L font. Just click it. Now you can see your font is changed. Like this, we can select all the sentences and change the font. URW Chancery L. Okay. Now, we can adjust the size by selecting all and give the size here. Okay. Now let us give colors to the fonts. How can we give colors? The first step is select the sentence to be colored. Then click on the arrow mark to the right of the color tool in the toolbar. Then click on the suitable font color. Okay, so we can select the sentence to be colored. We can select the word birthday party by clicking and dragging the mouse like this. So now the selection is over. After that, the second step is that click on the arrow mark to the right of the color tool in the toolbar. We can see the color tool here. What is the name of this color tool? Font color. By clicking this arrow mark, we can see many of the colors. From this, we want to select any of the color we wish. Okay, then you can see this is the bold. So, if you click this, it will be bold. If you click next one, that is italic, it will be turned to italic font. Then, this is the underline font. If you click it, you can see an underline. So, you have an activity to fill the following table. First, font name, for example, Liberation Serif. What is the use of that? Change the font of the letters. Then second one is font size. You want to write the use of that tools. Okay, now complete the table. Now, what are the assignments from this chapter? First of all, you want to draw an invitation card by inviting your friends to a birthday party. Next assignment is that you want to write your own suggestions to make your invitation card attractive. Then the third assignment is that you have to draw the box into your note. How can we save it? Click on the file. Then select Save As. Then select Home. And you can create your folder as 6th B or 6th A. Create it. Class 6, and you can give the name in the name box. Then click on the save button. Now your invitation card is saved with the name invitation.odt in the LibreOffice Writer. Did you understood it, my dear children? So if you are having any doubts regarding these topics, you can contact me and the doubts will be clarified. Okay. So we can see in the next class by next topic. Thank you.